Hi, I'm Joe from Versatile Welding. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of a core MMA machine. In particular, this is the 165 MMA. So, opening her up. So, first thing that we see is the instruction leaflet. This just details the connection of the stick electrode holder, the work return cable, and if you're using the machine for TIG welding, how to connect up the gas. We've then got the serial number specific calibration certificate from the factory. We have a shoulder strap. We have a 25mm twist top stick electrode holder. We've then got the work return cable, again 25mm cable. And finally, we have the machine itself, which is the Core 165 MMA. So as you can see, right out of the box, everything that you need to get started is included. In the next video, we're going to take a look at some of the features and benefits, and we'll strike an arc. See you then.
Voestalpine, one step ahead.